Alright, Annabelle, you're in your rainforest mat for the first time. And we're going to make a little video for Grandpa because he is home alone and probably bored. So show him a good time. What do you have here? You're not really looking at the things you're supposed to look at. You're supposed to look at like the butterfly. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, what's up there? What's up there? Is there a parrot and a butterfly? This is your little jungle gym. What do you think of it? There you go. Are you looking at the leaves? You're a real studier, aren't you? Really look at something and stare at it for a while. How cute are you, Annabelle? How cute. Like a little living doll. Turning your head all around to see all the different things. You like what you see? It's going to be a good toy for you for months and months. Let's just hope the dogs don't get it. You want to give her a nice big smile? Annabelle. Annabelle. Annabelle, you were so smiley before. Now you're a little too excited to smile. What do you see? What do you see? Goodbye. Goodbye from the rainforest.